Title: 5 AI Tools That Will Replace Jobs in 2025. Opening Scene. Background: futuristic visuals of AI robots working in offices and factories. Host: artificial intelligence is advancing faster than ever, and with great progress comes big changes. Some jobs are evolving, while others might be completely replaced by AI. In today's video, we'll reveal 5 AI tools that are set to replace jobs by 2025. Let's dive in. Segment 1. AI-powered writing assistants. Background: AI-generated articles, blogs, and social media posts. Host: first up, AI writing assistants like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai. These tools are already helping businesses create content, blogs, and marketing copies. With improved natural language processing, they can generate high-quality writing in seconds, reducing the need for human writers. Cut to examples of AI-generated content and testimonials from businesses using AI writing tools. Host: while human creativity is irreplaceable, many content-based jobs will have to adapt. Segment 2. AI in customer support. Background: AI chatbots assisting customers online. Host: next, AI-powered chatbots like ChatGPT and Drift are handling customer support. These bots provide 24/7 assistance, answer queries, and even solve issues, eliminating the need for large call centers. Cut to demo of an AI chatbot responding to customer queries. Host: with chatbots getting smarter, traditional customer service roles are at risk of being replaced. Segment 3. AI in data entry and analysis. Background: AI automating spreadsheets and business analytics. Host: gone are the days of manual data entry. AI tools like UiPath and OpenAI Codex can now automate repetitive data tasks, making human intervention less necessary. Cut to a business analyst discussing how AI improves efficiency in data management. Host: if your job involves repetitive data work, it might be time to upgrade your skills. Segment 4. AI in graphic design. Background: AI-generated logos, posters, and digital art. Host: AI-powered design tools like Canva's AI, DALL-E, and Runway ML are revolutionizing graphic design. Businesses can now generate high-quality visuals without hiring a designer. Cut to a side-by-side comparison of AI-generated and human-made designs. Host: while top-tier creativity is still human-driven, entry-level design jobs might see major changes. Segment 5. AI in transportation. Background: self-driving cars, delivery drones, and AI-powered logistics. Host: self-driving technology is no longer science fiction. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber are developing AI-powered transportation systems, threatening jobs in trucking, delivery, and ride-sharing. Cut to footage of autonomous vehicles in action. Host: if AI can drive better and safer than humans, will truck and taxi drivers still be needed? Conclusion. Background: montage of AI and human collaboration in various industries. Host: AI is changing the job market rapidly, and adaptation is key. While some jobs may disappear, new opportunities will emerge. The question is, how will you prepare for the future? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on AI and technology. See you in the next video. Outro music and subscribe animation.